In this video, we will demonstrate how to update the cost index in your Power BI cost history dashboard. Please note, to perform this task, you will need to open your Power BI file in Power BI Desktop. First, locate and open your Power BI cost history dashboard file. Once the file is open, click on the Transform Data button in the top ribbon to open the Power Query Editor. In the Queries list on the left, click on the Cost Index query. Now, on the right under Applied Steps, click the gear icon next to Source. This opens the Create Table window, where you can now add new entries into the cost index table. Just click on the empty cells at the bottom to add new years and cost index values, or click on cells with existing data to update them. When you're done editing, click OK. Click the top right X to close the Power Query Editor, and be sure to click on Yes in the prompt to save and apply your changes. Your dashboard should now automatically refresh with the latest data, but if it doesn't, click on the Apply Changes button to refresh your dashboard manually. Once the refresh is complete, you can close the application and click Yes to save all your changes. This completes the process of updating the cost index table. Your file is now ready to be published to your Power BI online workspace.